Hello and welcome to Adrian's Kitchen. And today we are making chicken breast in awesome pan sauce. This dish is inexpensive and easy to make, but eats really fancy. You will need 2 chicken breasts, salt and fresh ground pepper, about half a cup of white flour, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a quarter onion finely chopped, 1.5 cups of chicken broth, 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a few whole cloves, 2 bay leaves, allspice, a few coarsely cracked, a little finely chopped parsley. All right, let's cook. Season your chicken breast well with salt and fresh cracked pepper. Dredge thoroughly in your flour. Gas on and heat your oil. Gently add your breasts once your oil is hot. The goal is to nicely brown your meat on both sides. Once browned, remove and set aside. Add your onion. Watch your heat and stir constantly so that you do not burn it. You want to achieve a nice caramel color. Add your chicken broth. Deglaze your pan. Add breasts back in. Add vinegar, clove, bay leaf, allspice, pepper, and cover with a lid. Let this simmer with the lid on for 20 minutes. Remove breasts and set aside, covered. Season sauce to taste with salt and pepper. Pour your sauce through a strainer. And serve immediately. Generously pour the sauce over the meat. And top with fresh chopped parsley. I serve this dish along some cooked carrots and mashed potatoes. The sauce should be tangy and aromatic and make your dinner taste awesome. I hope you have fun making this dish, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and give me a thumbs up.